right, welcome traders to Options Tender. We are here on a Tuesday after market close. What a day. We had a nice bounce, a beautiful day today, but we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to head on the SPX options expected move, go down to the ES, see what happened today, and then we have a viewer, what's up T, that asked us to do a he asked me about 3 or more tech plays that would be good for the long run. And so, you know what? I thought I'd give you 3 that are good in the short run and the long run. So let me just, we're going to edit this, right? Yeah, get that out of there. So we're going to go ahead and look at those a little bit later. So check this out. SPX, let's get into it. The option expected move, for you guys who don't know about the expected move, it's just a range that the options market expects each week. So each individual bar here, this is on a daily chart. This is the upper range, lower range. Well, yesterday it seemed like we were going to tank. It didn't look like anything was going to hold underneath, but the options expected move did, and therefore we bounced off of that. And we're now over the 20 MA and the 8 MA. So looking really good. The only thing a couple weeks ago that had us cautious here was the bear cross on the MACD here, the yellow leading line, cross over the blue MA. So we're looking for maybe a little bit more movement down or working our way back up to newer highs. But the real bullish thing about this is that price is moving sideways to up while the momentum indicator is moving down. So it's nicely resetting itself while price is still moving sideways. So if we can get that to curve back up, we can go to much higher highs. But in the meantime, we'll be cautious until that happens. So don't trade too big. Okay, so we're going to move over to the ES on the 65-minute chart because we want all the candles equal size for the day. And we got all these squiggly lines here. Let's see what's going on inside. All right, so we have nice momentum to the upside. We had our crash yesterday. It seems like a crash is a wave 4 of 5. And now we're working our way to, in wave 5, the minute wave 1, 2, and then we're working on 3. We'll possibly up to here, this monthly range, maybe down to this support, and back up higher. We don't know that. We'll watch price. We don't want to predict. Okay, so moving on to the names of Nokia, familiar name. Haven't seen that in a long time, but we are in this name. We're going to move up to the monthly chart just to show the bird's eye view of what's happening. We had a huge downtrend that I believe is over. And now with a huge wave 1, wave 2 to the downside, and I believe that wave 2 is over and we're looking to the upside. We have so much uproom on this stock. So let's keep this one right in our books. You can get into it now if you want. This is a now and later stock. Here's on the weekly, just give you a little bit of closer look here. We have a minute wave 1, 2, and this is on the weekly. So again, and we're moving on to the 3, so we're just looking good on all angles. Nokia is a buy now. Baba. We actually got into Baba yesterday, and thank God we did. And let's look at that a monthly time frame. And any of these, I trade options. So if you're looking to trade options on a long-term, very conservative play, options are a great way to go because they're leveraged. I'll put the card up above that you press that and go straight to some of my videos on in-out spreads and duration positions. We're in a duration position on the on a couple of these. So okay, so Baba on the monthly, we have huge. Let's get over. This isn't the right. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and finishing on wave 5. I believe we're just starting wave 5. So get in early while you can. Let's move down to the weekly. Get a closer look, but still a bird's eye view. Maybe we'll call it like a building eye view. Buildings don't have eyes. Okay, so anyway, digging deeper down here. So finish the wave 3. This is wave 5. So we had a correction, A, B, C. And we got in yesterday with an inside day, and we're just working our way up, just huge percentage gains right off the bat. And we decided to get in we know that the momentum was down, but we also know that this is a zero line area. And this is where bulls turn into bears. So a lot of times this plays as a support position. See that? Support, support, bullish, support, support, bullish. And I suspect, or we're actually, probability is that we're going to do it again because of the momentum on the monthly. All right, so let's move on to the next thing. Baba is good right now. VMware. VMware, let's go check out the monthly, get that huge point of view, okay? Now, same thing here. You see that? It's getting real close to this zero line. We're starting to curve. Well, what's going to happen when we curve? We're going to move on the weekly momentum. The weekly has to shift before the monthly does, okay? So right now, a massive wave 1 down to wave 2 and working up to wave 3. I believe wave 4 is over and we are now in wave 5. So let's look on the weekly, kind of get a better look at that. All right, so here's our wave 3. Get in closer here. And the wave 4 is a A, B, C correction. And now for wave 1. And we're not 100% positive that wave 2 is over. We do have a small A, B, C here that could mean that it's over, but you know, that's not much of a retracement. Now, if we look in this, I'll even put this line in here. So we have, if you do want to get in this name now, you're welcome to go for it. No, that doesn't fit very well. So if we do have lower to go, maybe put your stop right here at the 200 week moving average. If it goes below here, get out of it and wait for it to get to a lower price before getting back in. But we are going to get into this name probably next week. We're not in this one yet. We are in the other two. Okay, so that does it. You guys hit the notification button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe here. If you like this information, we do this every morning, every evening, and also on the weekends. Plus, we give you some bonus strategies for options traders if you're interested. These are perfectly good for holding on to the stock itself, but we love leverage positions in a safe way. Okay, so trade safe, good luck, Happy New Year, and we will see you guys tomorrow.